Hey guys, so I'm at Ralph's today. Look at this beautiful wall right here. But then look at this right here. Regular treasure hunt, head starter. Didn't think I would come across these anymore. But that's all good. Look at that Camaro, it's a nice paint job. I already picked it up though. They have a lot of like the older versions. I have still the Cougars, they got the Corvette Transport Roadster. So let's take a look. Put this up here. Let's look around. Too tough. No. Alright. It's a Motor Wing. Buttons of Steel. I'm really thinking about taking that Camaro though. It's a nice paint job on it. This one, but I don't think so. Just thinking about it. Indy Oval still here. There's another Camaro. There's a Pagani. That one was also a nice casting. Roadster. They got the Spider-Man one. Should I take it? I think I'm gonna take it for look at the plastic. It's coming off. I don't know. This is another Cougar. There's a bike back there. Wagon. What is this one? I already have that one. Another head starter. So 2 treasure hunts here. Put that up there. I'll take both of them. Is that one? I already have that one. It's the older one. 212. Indy Oval. There's a Beetle. There's another one. Actually came. Oh, look, another one. That's 3. Go ahead and put them aside and see how many I find. I might just take all of them. I know my friend. I'm pretty sure he doesn't have that one, so I'll ask him if he wants to trade for one. I'm still looking to trade for the Bazimka one, the treasure hunt, beginning of this year. Didn't get to find it, so looking for someone to trade with.
Bay 3, you have a call part 101. Bay 3, you have a call part 101.
Batmobile. Do I have this one? Yeah, it's a blue one. I have it. That one's cool. I have it. Pretty much have most of these. Yeah, I have this one too. Pagani right there. Looks like this is it. I'm gonna go look for the toy aisle because I'm also looking for other ones. See you pause real quick. Alright, so I found this section. Here we go. Let's check these out. Oops. It's a Matchbox one. I have a lot of Matchbox ones here. The bank one's really cool. Look at the Audi. It's a Ratchet truck. Pick that one up though. So the shuttle. But I'm not here for the Matchbox. I'm here for the Hot Wheels. So let's see what's behind these right here. Mazda's cool, but I already picked it up, so I might not take that one. It's cool though. The Mazda RX-7. So this is what I found at this one. 3 regular treasure hunts that had starters. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, leave a comment, and turn your notifications on for future videos.